Dear students, now we are going to discuss about the church for genetic material. Dear students, nucleic acids are of two types. They are namely, first one is DNA, second one is RNA. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid to be act of very well genetic material in all living organisms except some viruses. But here RNA, that is ribonucleic acid, this RNA to be act of protein synthesis is also to be act of genetic material, especially a few of the viruses. 90% of the DNA to be act of genetic materials in all living organisms. 10% of the RNA to be act of genetic material in especially viral organisms. But here, so what is the genetic material? DNA either RNA. So fruit that some scientists to be taken up some of the bacterial cells and also to be taken up some of the viral organisms. Now let us discuss about the transformation principle. What is meaning of transformation? By means uptake of naked DNA molecules. Uptake of naked DNA molecules of the fragments of a bacterial cell. This is a DNA fragment in the bacterial cell. This is a one type of DNA fragment, so occurs in the bacterial cell, and the incorporation of the DNA molecule this DNA molecule, this naked fragment DNA molecule incorporation by means attached to naked DNA fragment in another chromosome of DNA, or recipient chromosome. So that is called transformation. Okay, now uptake of naked DNA molecules of the fragments of a bacterial cell. Uptake of naked DNA molecules of the fragments of a bacterial cell. This is a bacterial cell of naked DNA fragment molecule. And the incorporation of this DNA molecule, the incorporation of this DNA molecule into the recipient chromosome or another DNA molecule in heritable form, that is called transformation. Unknown DNA fragment to be attached to the received DNA molecules to be synthesized to be presence of characters in this one. That is transformation. Unknown DNA fragment is attached to the another recipient or receiver of DNA molecule. In this received DNA molecule to be presence of unknown DNA characters. That is named transformation. Okay, now uptake of naked DNA molecules of the fragments of a bacterial cell, and the incorporation of this DNA molecule. Into the recipient chromosome, then after to be appeared in heritable form or heritable characters, that is called transformation. Okay, now so in this bacterial transformation experiment was conducted by Louis Griffith, in which year, in the year 1928, in which organism? On Streptococcus pneumoniae. In this bacteria to be causes pneumonia disease. Already transformation experiment to be studied in this microbiology unit, that is bacterial Fourier transformation experiment was conducted by Frederick Griffith. Frederick Griffith in the year 1928 on Streptococcus pneumonia bacteria. On Streptococcus pneumonia bacteria. In this bacteria which causes pneumonia disease. Pneumonia disease. Pneumonia disease is caused by Streptococcus pneumonia. In this Streptococcus pneumonia to be using transformation experiments by Frederick Griffith in the year 1928. Next coming to, so Frederick Griffith has grown Streptococcus on a culture plate and found two types of bacteria. Then after Frederick Griffith so grown Streptococcus pneumonia bacteria on a culture plate, then after to be observed, so they to be appeared in two types of bacteria. So one bacteria that is Estein bacteria and the second that is Ornstein bacteria. Estein bacteria that is smooth stain bacteria, S for smooth. Second one here Ornstein bacteria that is rough stain bacteria, smooth coat bacteria, rough coating bacteria. Okay now. Griffith has grown Streptococcus on a culture plate to be laboratory and found two types of bacteria, that is Estein bacteria cells, smooth stain bacteria cells enclosed by mucus coat, enclosed by mucus or polysaccharide coat and exhibit poisonous nature by means Estein bacteria cells to be causing of pneumonia disease, and said to be virulent organism, that is poisonous. Next coming to Ornstein bacteria cells. Rough stain bacteria cells are not enclosed by mucus coat, or not enclosed by polysaccharide coat and exhibit non-poisonous nature. By means Ornstein bacteria do not cause pneumonia disease, and are said to be non-violent or a violent organism. Two types of bacteria strains to be observed Frederick Griffith in Streptococcus pneumonia. One is Estein bacteria cell, second one is Ornstein bacteria cell. Estein bacteria cell are enclosed by a mucus or polysaccharide coat and exhibit in violent nature or poisonous nature. And Ornstein bacteria cells are not enclosed by a mucus coat or polysaccharide coat and exhibit non-poisonous nature or non-violent or aviolent nature. Next coming to Frederick Griffith conducted his experiment mainly on mice organism by injecting Estein and Ornstein bacteria to be observed 4 experiments. So first now Estein bacteria to be injected into mice, then after mice is die. Why? Because Estein bacteria to be causing of pneumonia disease, suddenly this mice is die. Second experiment are here. Second to be observed Frederick Griffith Ornstein bacteria when live Ornstein bacteria. This is also live Estein bacteria. Okay now. When live Estein bacteria are injected into mice, then mice will suddenly die. Why? Because live Estein bacteria to be causing of mucus coat. So to be causing of mucous coat and suddenly to be infected by mice and to be causing of pneumonia disease, suddenly to be died. So second observed, when live Austin bacteria to be injected into mice, but mice is not died, mice is always live. Why? Because Austin bacteria are not enclosed by mucous coat or polysaccharide. So then this one are not poisonous or not violent. So mice is not die, mice is always live. Next third observed. So heat killed Epstein bacteria. So Epstein bacteria to be sometime heating, then after to be killing of the Epstein bacteria. So Epstein bacteria to be killing of the heat. Epstein bacteria to be killing by heat condition. Heat condition, that is heat killed Epstein bacteria injected into mice. So mice is live. Mice is live. Heat killed Epstein bacteria. Heat killed Epstein bacteria to be injected into mice, but mice is live. Mice is live. Why? Because so heat killed Epstein bacteria is also inactive. Is also inactive. Inactive of DNA material are not infected by mice. So in this mice do not cause of pneumonia disease. Fourth one, heat killed strain bacteria and live Austin bacteria to be mixed and injected into mice. Mice is died. Mice is died. Okay now. Heat killed Epstein bacteria and live Austin bacteria both are mixed and mixing strains to be injected into mice. So mice is suddenly died. Mice is suddenly died. So why? Because from the above experiments, the Griffith concluded our strain most had somehow been transferred in heat killed Epstein bacteria. So the Austin bacteria transport principle within the DNA material is transferred into the Austin bacteria by the heat killed Epstein bacteria. By the heat killed Epstein bacteria. So hence suddenly the mice is died. By means heat killed Epstein bacteria of DNA. Heat killed Epstein bacteria of DNA. Heat killed Epstein bacteria of DNA to be transferred Austin of bacteria. Okay now. Heat killed Epstein bacteria DNA to be transferred live Austin bacteria. So in this live Austin bacteria DNA to be changed of wireless Epstein bacteria. Wireless Epstein bacteria. So hence this mice to be causing of pneumonia disease, suddenly to be die. So these are the 4 observations to be experimented in mice. That is Griffith experiment. That is Griffith experiment or transforming principle. Transformation principle. Transformation principle or Griffith experiment. Griffith experiment. So Griffith conducted his experiment on especially mice by injecting Epstein and Austin bacteria. First Epstein bacteria injected mice, but mice is died. Next Austin bacteria injected into mice, mice is live. So these two are live Epstein bacteria and Austin live Austin bacteria. And third one, heat killed Epstein bacteria injected into mice, but mice is live. Fourth, heat killed strain bacteria and live Austin bacteria mixing and injected into mice, mice is died. Mice is died. So next coming to another scientist story here. Oswald Avery and his co-workers discovered the biochemical nature of transformation principles. To be discovered some amount of proteins, some amount of RNAs, some amount of DNAs. So ovary is said to be that the proteins is always digested protease enzyme, RNA is always digested RNA enzyme. These two are not participated in the transformation principle. These two are not transformation substances. But DNA digested by DNA enzyme. This DNA enzyme to be inhibited transformation, and this DNA play an important role in the transformation principle, and also mainly to be act of heredity or genetic material. Genetic material. So finally concluded, Oswald Avery, DNA is a genetic material. Okay now. Oswald Avery and his co-workers discovered the biochemical nature of transforming principle. That is biochemical nature of some amount of molecules to be discovered, that is proteins, DNAs and RNAs. But here Avery to be observed that the discovered, so the RNA is always digested RNA enzyme, the proteins is always digested protease enzyme. These two are not substances in transforming. These are always to be inactive. But here one of the DNA digested, that is DNA is, this is always inhibited transforming, and also to be act of the play role in transforming principle, and to be mainly involvement of hereditary process and genetic material. Genetic material, that is biochemical nature of transforming principle. This is about the check for genetic material or transformation principle. In this transformation principle to be discovered by Frederick Griffith in Streptococcus pneumoniae in the year 1928 on Streptococcus pneumonia. In this Streptococcus pneumonia bacteria to be causing of pneumonia disease. In this pneumonia disease mainly observed in mice. Okay now, thank you.